B9.5 S4, will it be beneficial to do stainless steel lines on OE brakes? If so, what are the benefits? So yeah, the benefit of a stainless steel brake line over the factory rubber ones is when the factory rubber lines get hot, which they inevitably do when you're braking, rubber and the materials in those rubber lines inherently become more flexible, and so as you get closer to the thermal limit of the brake lines, you're gonna feel more squishiness in the brake pedal as that line expands more. Instead of transferring the pressure to the caliper, some of that pressure and energy is going to go to expanding the line, and that's like having kind of like a rubber band in your brake system. So our stainless steel brake lines are use like a DOT approved construction method and style, and so there's a very stiff and rigid solid Teflon tube, and then on the outside of the Teflon tube is a braid of stainless steel, which is very resistant to expanding. So given the Teflon's thermal properties and the fact that it's so much less elastic than rubber, and then the brake line on the stainless steel on the outside, you get a full transference of the pressure and energy in the brake pedal to the caliper, not into squishing things around. So whether you want to say that's BS or how much you're going to notice that or whatever is debatable, but the feedback in general from the brake lines is very good, and we get great. We've got for years have gotten great feedback, and we like running them on our own cars as well. So it's definitely a modification we recommend, and it's pretty affordable to do. Next time you drain or flush your brake fluid, you can just throw the new lines in.